Sid, what will you tell mom if you wanna pee? I'm hungry.
Gutom na ako.
Wow, very good. Hello, Sid. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Magandang,
What is good morning in Tagalog?
I don't know.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Okay, again. Good morning, Sid.
Magandang umaga, si.
Very good. What about good afternoon?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Very good. Sorry. Good morning, Sid.
I don't know.
In Tagalog.
I don't know.
You answer me like, magandang umaga, mama. Okay, ha? Good morning, Sid.
Magandang umaga, mama.
Very good. Good afternoon, Sid.
Magandang hapon, mama.
Very good. What about good evening, Sid?
I don't know.
Magandang gabi.
You listen to mama when mama is teaching you, sila.
Gabi. Magandang gabi.
Mama. Okay. Thank you. Very good, Sid.
What about good night?
Good night. I don't know how to say it in Tagalog also. Do you know, Mommy?
Yun din, magandang gabi din.
Hindi. Kasi gabi is evening.
Wala siyang translate.
Oo, kaya wala. Kaya never nating ginamit na, oh, tulog ka na, sleep well. Di naman pwede. Tulog na.
Kasi parang pangit yung tulog ka mahindi.
Oo, parang mamamatay ka na, di ba? Oh.
Magandang tulog. That means good night.
Magandang tulog, Sid.
Magandang tulog.
Sid, what about I'm hungry?
Gutom na ako.
Wow, very good.
Hungry for snack.
Very good. How about I'm full?
Busog na.
Musik lang. Talaga ganun eh. What about
Maghanap na ng snack.
so, Sid, gutom ka na.
Oh, sit down ka lang. Ayoko lang pala.
Sid, gutom ka na? That's why
Kakain na ako.
Tagalog.
You get me a snack.
You get this lang. Tagalog ba yan?
English.
English. Sid, what will you tell mom if you wanna pee? Galing na.
Pwede po.
Galing na. Or what about you're hungry, you wanna take your meal? What will you say to mommy?
Thank you.
Huh?
I'm
Tagalog. Ayan. Sabihin mo nga.
Salamat. Salamat ng kumakain.
Akala ko sabihin mo kay mami, gutom ka na. Kaya ano, sumasalamat ng kumakain. Wrong grammar. What will you say to your teacher while you're in school?
Magaman sa computer.
Huh?
Makamag sa computer.
What are your subjects in school? Can you name them?
Magaman sa computer. Math. Reading and literacy. Cause and effect.
Kasi effect, hindi naman subject yun.
Cause and effect lesson lang yan. Science. English. Filipino. What's your favorite subject, Sid?
Reading and literacy.
Reading and literacy. Why?
Because we excel in English.
What about makabansa?
He gets perfect score in English.
Do you like makabansa subject? See? Makabansa. It's about our country, our nation, Pilipinas. What did you learn in Makabansa?
Ang aking pamilya.
Ah, okay. Aking pamilya. Ano ang binubuo ng pamilya?
How about extended?
Wag muna extended. Yun muna yung family muna. Yung immediate family mo. Anong binubuo ang pamilya? Sino-sino?
Nanay, tatay, ate, kuya, and bunso.
Wow, very good. How about, galing. How about the extended family? Sino-sino sila?
Lolo, lola, tita, tito. What about my,
Wala na. Kompleto na. Ang galing pala sa Makabansa ni Sid. What about math? Okay. So, what's your favorite lesson in math? Is it addition, subtraction?
Wait to that and less that. How about agonsa? Ask, given, operation, number, sentence, solution, answer.
Wow, galing naman ang apo ko.
I'm going to school.
Tagalog.
Ingat, I'm going
Ingat.
pasok to school.
Sid, I have a question. Sid, why do you think a kid like you needs to go to school?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why daddy and mommy send you to school? What's the reason?
Lola, bring me to school.
And what's the reason why a kid like you needs to go to school? Need to study?
Hard?
Bakit ka kailangan magpunta sa school? For you to what?
Study.
For you to study and learn many things, right?
Like reading and literacy.
Like what?
Reading and literacy. Cause and effect.
Talagang nangungulay reading and literacy niya.
Circles the cause and underline the effect.
Naku po, cause and effect talaga. Yeah, I saw your exam, your test paper. Ay, test paper ba yan? Yung cause niya? Cause and effect? Very good siya. Ako nga, lito ako doon sa cause and effect na yan eh. Is it hard?
Uy, ang dami mo ng sa short
Sid, is it hard to distinguish cause and effect? Do you know, is it hard for you?
No, it's easy.
Galing naman ang apo ko.
As a result, that's like that, no? When you do something, that's the cause. And then as a result, that's the effect.
Like mommy. Diba?
Daddy needs to
The
go.
cause, she is like doing some earrings, bracelets. The effect is, si mommy, meron ibibigay kay mama.
Daddy needs to go because Daddy needs to go.
Why daddy needs to go?
So, he can
Work and have a lot of money.
Wow, galing naman ang apo ko. Why do we need money, Sid?
to buy,
Some bills.
to pay some bills.
Okay.
What's our bills? Like,
Toys.
what else?
Pussy.
Puro sa kanya.
The bills are what keeps you alive. What keeps you alive? Water, electricity,
Shelter.
house, your clothes, your food,
Your education.
your education.
My toys.
Keeps you alive, no? Your toys also.
Pero yung number one bill niya is toys. Ito ang mga toys ni Sid, oh. Ayan, konti lang yan. Saan ba yung ibang toys pa ni Sid na nakatago?
Pinapalabas.